आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
States what is the perimeter of the nearest integer of an equilateral triangle inscribed in a circle whose circumference is 6 pi units, right? So the circumference of the circle, if it is 6 pi, circumference is given by 2 pi r for a circle, right? And that will be equal to 6 pi. So r is 3. So now the triangle or the equilateral triangle is inscribed in a circle of radius 3. So let's draw it. This is the circle of radius 3 and say this is our equilateral triangle, right? Now this is the center of the circle, okay? So from the center, if we extend line segments to the vertices of the equilateral triangle, right, then those vertices, then the angles at the vertices gets bisected. So since the equilateral triangle has all the angles equals to 60 degree, the bisected angles will be 30 degree, okay? So this is also 30 degree. This is a 30 degree, right? Now what we do is we will extend a perpendicular on one of the sides of the equilateral triangle. Now for a circle, if you are extending a perpendicular from the center to the chord to one of the chords, then the chord gets bisected. So if this side is A, then this much portion is A by 2, right? After this, the sum becomes very easy. You see, this is also the radius of the circle, okay? So this length is 3. Now we will be using very simple trigonometrical identities, right, to calculate the side of the triangle. So let's use cos 30, okay? Now since 30 degree is on this side A by 2, the one I marked as A by 2, therefore this will be the base. So cos is base by hypotenuse, so this will be A by 2 divided by 3. Okay, 3 is the radius or the hypotenuse of this particular triangle, right? So or you can write this as A by 6, and the value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So this is root 3 by 2 is equal to A by 6, or A is here 3 root 3. Okay, now we have been asked to find the perimeter. Perimeter will be 3a equals to 3a, which is 9 root 3, right? So 9 root 3 is approximately equal to 5.58. Now we have been asked to find it to the nearest integer. So nearest integer will be 16, because after the decimal point this number is 5 or more than 5. If it is, then the digit immediately before the decimal point gets increased by 1. So this is a 16, which is the answer to this question.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।